like to get in the camera this effect that the snow has with the wind.
Uh-huh.
Look like you're in a desert, but a white desert.
A white desert. You'll need to go out tonight when the wind is going to
I was thinking about that, but I guess my camera won't get anything at night. If it's too dark.
Well, but perhaps you could put the exposure. It would depend where you are. Go under the street lights.
Yeah, could be. So you can see the blizzard.
Yeah.
Really beautiful.
It's true. If you know how to look at the wintertime, it's actually really beautiful. Just like the
we don't care.
Summertime. We don't care. What are we?
If you found the dish, we care. But besides that, what the heck is that thing?
We're the macho lumberjacks. Yes, we are. Right?
Yeah.
We wear pink underwear.
No, you do. Barbie underwear? I don't think so.
We are lumberjacks and we are okay. We wear pink underwear any time of day.
I think that's since I live here in Madison was the worst condition I got the roads.
Oh.
Yeah, that's all. They really bad conditions. I expect they would clean better, but like Karen say, maybe the wind is doing all this.
The wind is doing it. No, you're right, because there's not really so much snow.
How many inches you have yesterday?
Perhaps 3.
3? Yeah, that's not that much.
Maximum would have been 4.
Yeah.
Look here,
There,
that's
I
all.
think.